Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Horton. This is their part number C4550. This is their top door track and slide block assembly. So this is a track that's going to be used in a in-swing application, and this track is going to fit inside of the top rail of the door. Okay, this is going to include, of course, the aluminum extrusion. This is in a DB or dark bronze finish. Mounting holes drilled down below, obviously. Slide block, and that is going to connect to the slide block bolt, and that's connected to the arm itself. And then, of course, we have our mounting screws inside of here. Okay, slide block bolt. That threads to the arm. That's obviously going to fit inside of our slide block. Once it threads, the arm will thread inside of here. Let's take some basic dimensional properties, then we'll look at the link below this video to the technical drawing. Overall length, 14-inch. Overall width, about 1.25 inches. Overall height, 1 inch. Overall length of the slide block, 2-inch. Overall height, about 7/8. And it has a thickness that's going to be an overall thickness, because it has a staggered design, of about 1.1 inches. Okay. Now, let's look at the link below this video to the technical drawing. It will give us an idea of what this looks like when it's installed. Again, rests inside of the top rail of the door. Okay. Does indeed show you all of your mounting points down to the inside of the top rail of the door. The slide block is only going to receive just the bolt to the arm. Nothing else of nothing else necessarily new there. You get fasteners for wood and metal inside of there. Aluminum and wood, I suppose. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Horton products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Horton C4550 door top track and slide block assembly, or any other Horton product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.